Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add rating questions in Google Forms. This is a fantastic way to collect structured feedback or rankings from your respondents, making it easier to analyze their preferences and opinions. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once you're there, sign in with your Google credentials to access your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Google Forms homepage, where you can see all your previous forms or start creating a new one. Next, click on Blank Form to create a fresh new form from scratch. This will open up a clean workspace where you can begin building your rating question. You'll notice a default question already appears, but we're going to customize this to suit our needs. Now click on the drop-down menu beside Untitled Question. This drop-down lets you choose from various question types. Since Google Forms doesn't have a built-in table feature, we'll need to use an alternative that works just as well. Select either multiple choice grid or checkbox grid from the options. Both of these formats allow you to create a matrix-style question perfect for rating scales. Once you've selected your grid format, navigate to the Untitled Question field at the top and type in your actual question. For example, you might type something like rank the following learning methods from most helpful 1 to least helpful 5. This gives your respondents clear instructions on how to rate each option. Now it's time to add your rows, which represent the items you want people to rate. Navigate to the Rows section and click on Row 1. Type in your first item, for instance, video lessons. This will be the first method your respondents can rate. Next, click Add Row and type in your second item, such as textbooks. Then click Add Row again and enter Group Discussions. You can continue adding as many rows as you need for all the items you want rated. Each row represents a different option that respondents will evaluate. After setting up your rows, navigate to the Columns section. This is where you'll define your rating scale. Click on Column 1 and type your first rating choice, for example 1. Then click Add Column and type 2. Continue this process by clicking Add Column and typing 3. Then add column again for 4, and finally add column one more time for 5. These columns create the rating scale that respondents will use to rank each row item. Once you've finished setting everything up, you'll want to make sure it looks right and functions properly. To do this, click the Preview button in the upper right toolbar. This opens your form in a new tab exactly as your respondents will see it, allowing you to test the rating grid and ensure everything works smoothly before sending it out. And there you have it, you've successfully created a rating question in Google Forms using a grid format. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.